here's the camera bracket that I kludged together yesterday out of leftover bits of wood in the shop. And as you can see, it's pretty cheap and cheerful. I free cut those ledges there with the bandsaw, and that's a clear indictment of my ability to cut a straight line, but doesn't affect the finished product, so what the hell. So this is on 2x magnification. So I'm going to slide it actually you can see the indices, the lines I've put there, so I can sort of calibrate it relative to the center of the piece. So let's see how this goes. I'm just going to slide it in position now. Hope this doesn't make anybody motion sick. Okay, there's centered. 1, 2, 3 inches right of center. And there's the work. Should be clearly visible. Let me get these pens out of here. I don't want an accident with those. Yeah, so the what remains to be seen is, can I keep my whacking fat head out of the way as we're sewing and blocking the shot, but that's okay. Right on. Let's see how this goes. And out. Of course, this thing doesn't have a remote, so